Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening a private window and confirming your browser allows alternate search providers in private mode. Once done, locate the exact search engine URL or bookmark you want to use. You will need that for a quick manual query. Make sure extensions are allowed in Incognito if you plan to use one. Go to Extension Settings and enable permission. Now that the private window is active and your replacement engine URL is ready, move to the address bar method. You type the engine URL in the private address bar and press space or tab to trigger the browser's custom search shortcut creation. This creates a one-time mapping. Next, assign a short keyword such as S or G to that mapping so you can start searches fast. Once configured, try a sample query using the keyword followed by your terms. This forces the private window to use that engine for the session. If it works, you've implemented a reliable incognito workaround. If not, check the URL format. You finish by consistently using the keyword shortcut or pasting the full search URL whenever you need that engine in incognito. This keeps privacy intact while changing the provider. If you opted for an extension, make sure it's enabled in incognito mode through extension settings so it can intercept queries. If searches fail, recheck the engine's query parameter format and permission settings, and clear the private session's temporary data. Often a quick reset fixes lingering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.